Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW Z4 M40i in San Remo Green Metallic. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW Z4 M40i in San Remo Green Metallic. I've just pressed unlock on the key, so we got the headlights turning on here. And if I go ahead and press panic for 1 second, we can get the full low beam system on with the pathway lighting. This is the end of the Z4, and this is one of the last ones we have here. And this one already sold. We had it in the showroom for about 5 minutes and it got sold real quick. So let me do a lap all the way around. And then once we do this lap, we can definitely take a closer look at all the details. So let's do it. So we got San Remo Green Metallic. We've got a couple different greens in our lineup now. This is one of them. We also have the Isle of Man green, which is that green over there. But this green is a little bit darker than that one, a little bit more on the forest side. And you can definitely see we've got some lines coming down on the hood. We have the BMW Rondelle up front and center. We have the high gloss black kidney grille with these honeycomb designs here. We have a few air intake ducts on either side down here for air to go into the oil coolers and intercoolers. And we've got this unique headlight design. So if we come closer, you'll see that these are the BMW LED headlights. We do have that 4 headlight form factor, and if we get the low beams on there, you can see that all illuminating, which looks real good. Now if we come around to the side here, you'll see that we have the 19-inch front and the 20-inch rear staggered 800 M wheels in jet black burnish with the red M Sport brake. We also have the illuminating reflector here, and in the Canadian market we do also have the M badge on the fender. We also have this air breather here, and black colored mirrors with the integrated side signal here. And we've got the top down already. So what I actually wanted to do is, once we had a chance to look at some of the things on the car, I just wanted to step back for a moment. And if we press and hold the lock button on the key, we can get the convertible top to come up while we're outside of the vehicle. So one side is up, the windows will go up, and the convertible top operation is complete. So I'm just going to do another lap all the way around with the top up, just so you can see what that looks like. And I just also wanted to point out, this is your rear 20-inch 800 M wheel in jet black burnish with the red caliper there. And we have a little bit of a duckbill built into the trunk lid, L-shaped taillights back here. And if I lift this up, I just want you to see we've got about this much space back here, which is quite a bit for a Roadster. There's a pass-through here for the center. This is where you're going to find your wheel lock key, tow hook, tire inflator kit, and air compressor. And on this side we have a little netted area. And up top, you can pull this down to close this without touching the exterior. Now if I go ahead and press unlock on the key and hold that, so the windows will go down first, and then the top will come down. So what's really nice about the Z4 is, once the top is down, if I open this up, it doesn't compromise the space in here. A lot of other convertibles will actually use the existing trunk space to store the convertible top. So I'm glad that BMW doesn't do it like that. And up here there's a single handle, just so you can close this again without touching the exterior. Now if I come around here to the passenger side, fuel cap doors over here connected to the central locking system. If I press 9 o'clock, the door will open. We're looking for 93 octane, BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise 1 click. There's a spot to put the cap while you're refueling, and clockwise 1 click to shut that. Now we have this classic door handle style with touch comfort access on both doors. If I open up the passenger side, you'll see that we have the nice stitching going across the door panel. Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats for the passenger side with unlock, lock, door pull, and your window switch. Got a little storage area down here and some ambient light. We have the M40i aluminum door sill. And over here, we've got the black seats. We've got a little stirrup here for your seatbelt. It's magnetized. And we have power with lumbar and side bolster, manual under the thigh extension. And just back here, you have a little wind deflector. There's the pass-through. We've also got some speakers back here, and we have a little net so that you can carry some stuff in here with you as well. We have a vent here, some stitching going across the dash. Down here you've got a little glove box which is illuminated. There's also a little net here to hold something. We have iDrive 7. We have some vents, physical climate controls. Down here you have your programmable memory buttons, and if I push this forward, you'll see that we have a wireless charger in there, 12-volt plug, USB-A. Here's your gear selector, iDrive controller, and your push start button. And we've got a little bit of ambient light here. If I press this button, you'll find your cup holders. And there's also a USB Type-C charging port in there as well. So now that we've had a chance to look through this side, let's shut the door and we'll go to the driver's side next. If we approach from the driver's side, let me just open up this door. You'll see that we have Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, unlock, lock, window controls, side mirror controls, a little storage area down here with a trunk release. We also have the M40i door sill down here. Driver's side also has full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. So let's take a look at those beautiful seats there. And over here we have your M steering wheel, heated steering wheel buttons down here. And we've got the head-up display as well. Nice stitching going across the cowl. iDrive 7 center instrument display. And if I just jump in here for a second, just gonna move that so you can see the screen. So we have some lighting controls, rear view mirror, garage door openers down here. And of course we have heated seats in here. And I just wanted to see quickly, so just make sure remote engine start is on. I don't know if we even have enough gas to try that out, but I just wanted to make sure that it was on. And in terms of driver assistance, car has automatic back park, parallel park, and just has also the cruise control. Whoops, let me just go over here. So I can see on the steering wheel we've got some active cruise control, so you can mitigate the speed and distance to the car in front of you over here, which is pretty sweet. And up top we have a little visor with the mirror, the light turns on there. We also have this microphone on the A-pillar. So now that we've had a chance to look inside the car, I just want to jump out of here and we can go ahead and take a look at what powers this beast. And of course we already know this is going to be the B58 in here. So let's jump out. And down here we've got the beautiful M Sport pedals, a little storage area, and here's your hood release. It says 2 pulls, so it's 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here. We just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline-6 twin power turbo. This one has 382 horsepower, 369 foot-pounds of torque. We've got the strut bars going across, positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal is way over here, and washer fluid is way over there. So hood opens up, the top of the fender here, which is kind of different, and longitudinally mounted over top of the front axle and behind. And every BMW also has 2 latches under the hood, and this hood being very long, you do have to throw it down with some force or it won't close properly. So from about halfway, literally just center down. Beautiful. So before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more final lap all the way around. Car looks incredible. Spring is just around the corner, so it's about time that we start to see these kinds of cars picking up some action again, because we're going to see a lot more cars with the top down, of course, due to the weather. And man, back end, freeform exhaust, rear diffuser, all this looks real good. I'm going to be sad to see the Z4 leave our lineup, but at least we have a few more examples left before they're completely done. So how do you like this spec? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW Z4 M40i in San Remo Green Metallic with the black interior. We got staggered 19 and 20-inch wheels. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.